Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss how to represent multiplication on number line. Just draw one number line like this. Then we are going to write number line for 5 into 2, that will be equal to 10. So draw one number line like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So like this. So next one, what we have to do is, now we are going to check what is the number here. 5 it is there, 5. How many times it's repeated? 2 times. So 5 into 2 times, that is equal to 10. So if you take 5 2 times, then you will get 10 here. So from 0, start at 0. So start at 0. Then go right direction with 5 units. So up to 5 here in the right direction, that is this direction. This is 5. Then again what we have to do is, we have to take one more 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 5 we need to go 5 units. So in the same direction, that is this direction. This is also 5. So here 5 plus 5, what we are doing here, simply multiplication is nothing but 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10. That is 5 how many times? 5 into 2 times, that will be equal to 10. So like this way we have to express multiplication on number line. So what is this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are going to check 3 into 2. So what they are given first? 3 into 2 times or 2 into 3 times. Anything you can take, 2 into 3 times or 2 into 3 times, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 we have to get. So start at 3 into 2, that is 3. From 0, 3, one time you have to go, that is plus 3 in the right direction. After that 3 units here, 1, 2, 3, this is plus 3. So finally what we are getting is, so we are getting 6 here. Then one more, what is another method is, so from 0 we have to go 2 units right direction, then one more 2 units, that is here 4. So plus 2, then from 4 to again plus 2. So here how many times going? 3 times 2 went. Here how many times? So here 2 times. Here 2 times, here 3 times. Finally, ultimately what we are getting is 6 we are getting. So what you can say is, so here 3 into 2 times or 2 into 3 times is equal to 6, 6 only. In multiplication we have to show like this. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos.